This is Barnabas. You're welcome to this channel where we teach you all the skills or the tricks or the tools that you need to become a successful self-published author. Now, I have been receiving my payment from Payoneer, and recently my Payoneer card got expired, and I had to be mailed a new one when I made a request. Now, in today's video, I am going to be teaching you a step-by-step process on how you can activate a new Payoneer card. Here's the card, so I'm going to open the card and then we'll go right in to the process of activating our card. So here's the new Payoneer card. So I'm going to be going in, logging into my Payoneer account to activate the card, and I'll show you the step-by-step process. Catch you right in. Now, before you jump right in to activate your card, here are a few things I would like to let you know that are very important. And the first is, it is very, very important you first of all activate your card, and then you load it with funds before you begin to try or attempt using it at ATMs or even making purchases online. For instance, if you're going to be using it for ATMs to receive payments, then some ATMs might seize your card if it's not activated or if it doesn't have funds inside. So make sure you activate your card and then you add funds in it before you begin to make purchases online. And there are 3 ways that you can activate your card. First is to log into your Payoneer account and then use the service online to activate your Payoneer card. The second option you can use is to use your phone. Simply scan the QR code by using your mobile device, and from there you can follow the step-by-step process on how to activate your Payoneer card. And the last step is to call Payoneer using the numbers that are on your card to help you activate your card immediately. With that said, let's log in using the first step to activate our card. Once you sign into your Payoneer account, the first place you need to go is to your settings, and under the drop-down menu you will see Payoneer Cards. Click on Payoneer Cards and you're going to scroll down, and here you will take a look at the cards that are active and the cards that have expired. For instance, like I said, here's a Payoneer card that has expired. Now I have a little situation here I would like to explain to you. You can see I have 2 options here. I have 2 cards here. And that is because when I ordered the first one, it delayed in arrival. So I thought I have missed out on it. So I needed to order another card. So after I ordered a new card, then the other one got delivered. And that is the one I have received that I am going to activate. And it is a card ending in 2523. So in order to activate this card, I am going to simply click on Activate. And now you can see I'm required by Payoneer to input the 16-digit number, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. I've inputted the 16-digit number. I'm going to click Agree on all these 3 and say Activate. And great, you can see that my card has been activated. And here they are saying I'll receive an email with a link to the PIN, and the link will expire in 30 minutes. So I'm going to head over to my email right now to look at the email that has been sent to me in order to finish my process. Also, right here in my email you can see that I've already received the email to my PIN that I am going to use to activate and begin to use my card. Here you can click on View PIN to see your PIN. Once you click on View PIN, you'll find that your Payoneer account opens up again for you to complete the process. And you can see that Payoneer is already giving you a guideline on some safety tips you can put in mind. And they include that you should always view your PIN in private, Please make sure no one sees your PIN. And next, you are going to memorize your PIN or store it in a secure place. And please never share your PIN with anyone. And remember, Payoneer will never ask you for your PIN. And you have 60 seconds to see your PIN. So you can click right here to view your PIN. And once you click on view PIN, you receive another email from Payoneer again telling you that your card has been activated. And you can see the details below. Now head up to your card and click on top up. Now when you click on your top up, you either have the option to turn it off or turn it on. And what does top up mean? It simply means you are allowing Payoneer to add your funds to your card. If funds are not added to your card, then you'll be unable to use your card to make purchases. So when your top up is on, it allows Payoneer to add funds to your card so you can use. And you can also change the top up maximum limit. You either allow it to be at what it is here, as you can see, or you can change it into a custom limit where you can choose between $500 to $10,000 depending on your choice. And when that is done, you simply go ahead and click on save. Remember, you can change this as many times as possible. And if you want to change it, you simply go to settings, go to cards, and then you can find your top up. Now you can change your top up as many times as possible. Let's say you left that page that we're on and you're on the home page now, and you desire to locate the top up option in order to change. You will simply head over to settings and then you click on Payoneer Cards, and your card will open once more, and there it is, your top up. You can put it on or put it off. If you don't want your funds to be sent to your card, then you can put your top up option off. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, do it to subscribe and hit the notification button so you can receive new videos like this. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment below and I'll be available to answer all your questions. Until then, see you in our next video.